Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, has described the traditional institution as a social glue that brings together government authorities and the grassroots population for sustainable peace and prosperity of the society. Governor Oborevwori, who made this known recently when he received an audience, the Oborevwori Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Ogiame Atuashe III, and some members of his Council of Chiefs said he will not renege on his promise to give Warri, the oil city, a facelift.
The Oborevwori Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Atuashe III, recently led some members of his Council of Chiefs to Government House Asaba to congratulate the Governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, on the successful completion of all his legal battles, as well as stable issues concerning the development of Warri Kingdom and its communities. Receiving his guests, Governor Oborevwori emphasized the pivotal role traditional rulers play in fostering sustainable peace and development in Nigerian society as custodians of the cultures and tradition of the people at the grassroots.
With the royal fathers, they are the one that bridge between the government and the people at the grassroots. Without the royal fathers, peace, you can't achieve peace in the kingdoms.
For his part, the Ishekiri monarch, while commending the governor for making true his inaugural promise of giving Warri, the oil city, a facelift with the approval of high-impact projects such as the ongoing construction of 3 flyover bridges and road expansion project, the completion of the first and second phases of Warri erosion control channels, and recent approval for the 3rd phase, drew government attention to some challenges within its corridors.
We all know that water is life. A lot of our people in the riverine areas, they struggle to have access to clean, potable water.
Governor Oborevwori, who appreciated the entire Ishekiri nation for their support, promised to engage relevant authorities in the development of Warri Kingdom and the state at large.
I will start engaging with the people at the national on the issue of the rehabilitation of all the ports. Because if the ports are rehabilitated, it will bring a lot of development to the state.
As Governor Oborevwori continues to deliver on his promises and collaborative efforts for a peaceful and prosperous Delta State, the people eagerly anticipate the positive changes that will enhance the city's landscape and contribute to its overall development. Meanwhile, Governor Sheriff Oborevwori of Delta State has affirmed his commitment to supporting the young and burgeoning population of the state in realizing their full potential, while actively contributing to the shared prosperity of the state. The governor made this known in a recent meeting at Government House Asaba with youth groups in the state under the coalition of Delta Community Youth. Some of the youth leaders speak on the reason for their visit.
That we stand with you, Your Excellency T 2031, where you will have ample time to deliver on your passionate mandate of the MORE agenda.
Series of projects everywhere in Warri. So this has informed our decision to stand shoulder to shoulder with the governor.
Governor Oborevwori noted that his commitment to the youth is not mere talk, but a pledge to empower and uplift the younger generation, recognizing their potential as catalysts for positive change in the society.
Today in my cabinet, I have youths less than 40 years, about 10 in this government.
The Delta State government under Governor Oborevwori has demonstrated that it fully embraces a future that empowers its young population, and this is evident in the appointment of young people into political positions and its huge investment in education and the creative space to inspire hope and enthusiasm among the youth.
Inside the Niger Delta,